What's good, YouTube? It's the Internet Income Ninja with another amazing way to earn money online. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and for watching. I appreciate you guys. And before we jump into the video, I encourage you to subscribe, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share, because when you do so, you get premier access to this very exclusive information as soon as it drops. Once it drops, you are alerted and you are first in line to get this information and how you can make money online. Okay? In this day and age, this information day and age, everybody has information, but not everyone has it first. And the person who gets this information first and is able to leverage this information is able to reap the largest profit or the largest share of whatever profit is given. All right? So I encourage you to check the links in the description below to learn of ways that you can earn money online by building your own passive income business that will generate $1,000 per day for you. If that sounds like something you're interested in, check out the free videos and the free information in the links in the description below, and feel free to send me a message in the comment section. If you have a question or something you want to know, let me know. Now this video is going to be a job lead online. It's a freelance, remote, so it's work from home, international job. So this is open to several countries across the world, and they are looking for a virtual assistant, which is an admin position for an IT and client care, right, type of business. So it's for a holistic business that they're requiring someone to work for. Now, you have the flexibility of working from home. This is an exciting opportunity for a heart-centered professional who loves to stay on top of organizing, has a natural talent for top-notch customer service, and creating efficiencies with workflow to be a part of a coach or consultant small business with a big mission. Okay? And the name of the website is this here, introvertedvisionary.com. So note, if you're interested, please follow the instructions at the bottom of this posting. Experience doing admin, client care, or customer support for an online business is required. Please do not apply if you don't have this experience. Your application will be deleted to save us both time. So they're very serious about their company, and they do not want to waste their time with someone who just isn't qualified, and that's fair. They're running a business, they're only interested in serious people. So this is what their company website looks like. Introverted Visionary. Okay, so they're functional medicine practitioners. 5 secrets to attracting a waiting list of patients, and so on. Do you find yourself procrastinating marketing your practice? Okay, so they are a company of people who are business savvy. However, they are very introverted. They're probably more shy. They're probably unwilling to throw their faces and names out there. But they have come to this company to, this is their company, but they're in the business of throwing themselves out there. Okay. So if you're starting out and not enough people know about you, they're charging 100K per year. Have patience, but so you're earning a little under 100 or under 100K per year. You have patience but not consistent income, so you're making between 100 to 250K per year. Busy but not making money when you're not there. They have packages for everybody. Okay, so you'll be working for a company that promotes their company and helps them to get clients to their business so that they can do what they do best, which is practice their craft, practice being a physician or a medical expert. Okay. Our mission is that holistic and integrative medicine options become mainstream in our country instead of mainly relying on drugs or surgery. We do this by helping holistic health practitioners reach more people and grow their businesses more effectively. Many holistic practitioners went into the profession to help people but not to run a business, and they struggle with that. They learn a step-by-step process of getting patients more consistently through our trainings and mentorship programs. The format of what we offer includes teleseminars, live speaking, and high-end private and group coaching or mentorship. You will work with someone who is very dynamic, results-oriented, and always open to new ideas. Work in a supportive environment from home. You pride yourself on being one step ahead of what is needed. You excel with fast-paced and changing priorities to adapt to our clients' requests and ensure that our clients' experience is a positive one. Your supervisors have told you that you are outstanding with admin and customer service. You are proficient with software and IT troubleshooting things online. If you do not know how a webinar opt-in sequence works or do not have online business experience, do not apply. Note, if you're interested, please follow the instructions at the bottom of this posting or you will not be considered. So, you are going to be working independently 35 to 40 hours per week, 5 days per week. So the description of your role, and they've broken these down into different categories. So client care support. You respond attentively and with urgency to client requests by email and phone. Ensure that our clients receive a warm welcome by phone, are able to access their program materials online, get their pre-work materials in timely, and help with customer service related matters during their participation in our online programs. Handle refund requests or special situations in a friendly, warm, and professional manner. Procedures or operations management. You'll file emails and organize our procedures, document our procedures, create templates for different scenarios, and 2, review our program materials and take initiative to streamline, redesign, delivery. That is emails, online portal for optimal client experience based on client feedback. Admin and IT support. Post pre-scheduled social media posts or videos for our Facebook private groups. Facebook community management and inspire engagement. Be available to troubleshoot IT issues during our online program calls. Also help edit and organize our worksheets to look good using our brand look template is provided. Help process sales with sending agreement, training calendar, and welcome email. 3. Manage the manager's training calendar, and that is to include schedule of our calls with clients proactively and with accuracy. Occasional cross coverage with admin assistant on our team to connect with potential clients to book warm lead appointments by phone and by email. Metrics reporting. Now, requirements for this role: you should have a strong administrative, customer service, or client care experience preferred by phone and email, must be computer savvy, experience assisting coaches, business consultants, online businesses, or practice management company required, experience supporting holistic practitioners or medical offices preferred, that is chiropractors, acupuncturists, health coaches, naturopathic physicians, medical doctors, functional medicine practitioners, dentists, etc., but not required. Enjoy supporting behind the scenes plus calling to talk to people also. Google Drive and strong file management and process documentation experience. Infusionsoft, Help Scout, and WordPress experience a plus, although not a requirement. So about you. One step ahead, you think ahead about what would be helpful to support your manager. You're a self-starter, warm, sense of urgency with important things, resourceful, detail-oriented, systems-oriented, creative, heart-centered, passionate, creative, motivated, independent, efficient, conscientious, intelligent, mature, problem solver, compassionate, good listener, flexible. Being top-notch and giving the best customer service is important to you. So those are the qualities they want from you. Don't apply if you are not used to a busy environment with potentially shifting priorities based on client needs. If you are not an out-of-the-box thinker, detail-orientedness is not your thing, nor is sense of urgency. Questions below must be answered completely in your application, and please attach your resume or a link to your website or you will not be considered. Looking forward to working with you. What attracted you to this, and how do you see this opportunity fit in with your career plans and personal goals? 2. What is your experience with an administrative, executive assistant, customer service or client care or tech support role for an online business, medical office, or practice management company? Please describe your specific related experience. If you have experience assisting a coaching or consulting business or a holistic practitioner's business with community management of an online business, program management that is organized program content for easy usability, please elaborate. 3. Ideal number of hours per week you'd like to work. Also include the word per minute you type. 4. Visit our website and go to the testimonials tab. Find the fifth word in this section and include it in your response. And if you are into holistic medicine and that sort of stuff and you want to be a virtual assistant for them, click apply for this job and it will take you to the page where you fill in the blanks and upload your CV. That page will look something similar to this, but to access it you'll need to have Google Docs, and if you don't, then you can request access and so on. But it's as easy as pie, and that's a virtual assistant, admin, IT and client care position for a holistic business. Again guys, check the links in the description below and find out ways to earn $1,000 per day. Honestly, it's good to have a job, it's better to have a business. You can't leave a job for your future generation, you can leave a business for your children and grandchildren. Take back your time, take back your power to choose, because most people are slaves to their jobs. They live in fear. Because if they leave their job, they don't know what they would do, and that's not a fun way to live. If you love your job, that's great. At the same time, it's even better if you love your job and you still have something on the side that is bringing you income on autopilot. If that's something you're interested in, check the links in the description below, and then go ahead, smash that subscribe button. It looks like this, okay? Hit that notification bell, and then you like, comment, and share for more from the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.